The probability of Nelson, Papa, and Likama to grow more than 6 feet is given as 1 over 3, 1 over 6, and 1 over 4. Find the probability that only two of them will grow more than 6 feet. This is how to do it. For instance, now, for Nelson, the probability of him growing more than 6 feet is given as 1 over 3. So the probability of him not growing more than that is 2 over 3. You subtract 1. You subtract this from 1. Similarly, the probability of Papa push prime not growing tall is given as P prime, which will give us 5 over 6. And finally, the probability of Likama be L prime not growing more than 6 feet will be 3 over 4. Subtract this from 1. So from here, you are going to get the component now. So generally, the probability of two of them growing more than 6 feet will be given as this. The probability of Nelson growing tall, and so you multiply probability of Papa getting tall and probability of Likama not growing tall plus probability of Papa Nelson growing tall and probability of Papa not growing tall and probability of Likama growing tall and O, that's what we put, and O probability of Nelson not growing tall and probability of Papa growing tall and probability of Likama growing tall. So you're not fixing all this information here. So the probability of two of them growing tall will be equals to probability of Nelson growing tall from here is 1 over 3, and probability of Papa growing tall 1 over 6, and probability of Likama not growing tall, yes, is 3 over 4. We are done with this one. And we add probability of Nelson growing tall 1 over 3, and probability of Papa not growing tall. Not growing tall is 5 over 6, and probability of Likama growing tall is 1 over 4 plus the final state now. Probability of Nelson not growing tall is 2 over 3, and probability of Papa growing tall 1 over 6, and probability of Likama growing tall, which gives us 1 over 4. So you now simplify it now. Now that this one will become 10 over 72. and when you solve it now, it will give you 5 over 36.